Differentiate s of x equals e to the x times inverse tangent of x. We're going to need at some point to differentiate inverse tangent of x, so let's pull out our table of derivatives of inverse trig functions. And since we're looking at inverse tangent, the derivative when we get to that is going to be 1 over 1 plus x squared. But that's not going to be the very first thing that we do. We have a product of two functions, so when we differentiate, we're going to need to use the product rule. The product rule says that we take the derivative of the first times the second. Well, the derivative of e to the x is e to the x, so we're going to have e to the x times inverse tangent of x plus the derivative of the second times the first. Well, the derivative of inverse tangent of x is 1 over 1 plus x squared. So that's the derivative of the second, times the first function is just e to the x. And so we can, if we want, factor out an e to the x. We can write this as e to the x times inverse tangent of x plus 1 over 1 plus x squared. That's a nice answer. We could also, if we wanted to, instead of factoring out the e to the x, just put this e to the x into the numerator. That's an equally fine answer, I think. E to the x inverse tangent of x plus e to the x over 1 plus x squared. Either one of these is fine. I think the factored version is a little bit nicer. I tend to lean towards factored versions of answers in case we need to do something with them later, like set them equal to 0, but either one of those should be fine.